In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your orders on DHgate. Whether you're eagerly waiting for a new gadget, a piece of clothing, or something else exciting, this guide will ensure you know exactly where your package is in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and make this process seamless for you. First things first, you'll need to visit the DHgate website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the DHgate URL. Once you're on the home page, it might be worthwhile to bookmark that page for quick access in the future, especially if you're a frequent shopper. The site's layout might initially look a bit overwhelming given the vast array of options and products, but don't worry, we're going to streamline the process. Next, you'll want to log into your DHgate account. Look to the top right-hand corner of the home page where you'll find the Login button. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a helpful link to reset it just below the login box. It's essential to have access to the email associated with your DHgate account, as this may be necessary for account recovery or password reset. Once logged in, move your attention to the Profile section. This is typically represented by an icon, often a small silhouette of a person, also located in the top right corner. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll need to select My Orders. This section is your gateway to tracking and managing any recent purchases you've made on the platform. Inside the My Orders section, you'll see a list showcasing all your recent purchases. Each entry usually contains basic information such as the product name, the date of purchase, and of course, the option to track the order. Click on the specific order you'd like to follow up on. Doing so will automatically display the details relevant to that particular purchase. You will find straightforward tracking information, including current status, expected delivery times, and sometimes even tracking history that outlines the journey of your package step by step. And there you have it. Tracking your order on DHgate is a remarkably straightforward process once you familiarize yourself with the platform's layout. Make sure to regularly check your tracking information, especially if you're on a tight deadline and need your items by a specific date. It's always a good habit to keep your order notifications enabled so you can receive updates directly in your email. Thank you for joining me in today's guide. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. If you did, remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides like this one. Happy shopping, and may all your packages arrive swiftly and safely.